In the realm of construction, the project life cycle is a comprehensive journey from conception to completion. This cycle is pivotal for project managers, stakeholders, and the construction team, ensuring that projects are delivered on time, within budget, and to the desired quality. So let's talk about key phases of the project life cycle in this video. The initiation phase is where every construction project begins. It involves the identification of a project's viability and its objectives. Feasibility studies are conducted to assess the practicality of the project, considering factors like environmental impact, resource availability, and budget constraints. The goal is to define the project at a broad level and establish a project charter which formally authorizes the project start. The planning phase is critical and sets the stage for the entire project. It involves developing a detailed project management plan that encompasses scope, cost, time, quality, communication, risk, and resource management plans. Tools such as Gantt chart and critical path method in Microsoft Projects and Primavera are commonly used for scheduling and time management. Now, execution is where plans are put into action. This phase involves resource allocation, team development, and the actual construction activities. The project management team must ensure that the project stays on track, adhering to the plans and specifications laid out during the planning phase. Communication is key during this phase as it involves coordinating with various stakeholders, including contractors, suppliers, and clients. Concurrent with the execution phase, monitoring and controlling processes are critical to ensure the project adheres to the plan. This phase involves tracking the project's progress and performance to identify any variances from the plan. It includes managing changes, risk, and ensuring quality control. According to a survey by KPMG, only 31% of all projects came within 10% of their original plans, highlighting the importance of rigorous monitoring and controlling to keep projects on track. The final phase is project closure, where the project is formally completed and handed over. It involves ensuring that all work is completed to the specified standards, obtaining final acceptances, and releasing project resources. A post-project evaluation is also conducted to identify lessons learned and best practices for future projects. Construction projects are complex and face numerous challenges. Construction projects inherently face the challenge of managing changes in scope, timelines, and budgets. Such changes, often stemming from client requests, unforeseen site conditions, or regulatory requirements, can significantly impact a project's trajectory. Ensuring that all changes are thoroughly documented, communicated, and approved across all stakeholders is critical for maintaining control over the project's direction and outcomes. Construction projects are exposed to a wide range of risks, including weather delays, supply chain disruptions, labor shortages, and safety incidents. Effective risk management involves identifying potential risks early, assessing their impact, and developing contingency plans. This proactive approach helps minimize disruptions and ensures that the project team can respond swiftly and efficiently to challenges as they arise. Construction projects are required to comply with a complex matrix of regulatory standards and quality benchmarks. Failure to meet these standards can lead to rework, delays, and additional costs, not to mention potential legal liabilities and damage to reputation. Implementing comprehensive quality control and assurance practices, including regular inspections and adherences to best practices, is vital for delivering a project that meets all required specifications and client expectations. Construction projects involve a diverse array of stakeholders, including clients, contractors, suppliers, government agencies, and the community. Effective stakeholder management ensures that communication is clear and consistent, decisions are made transparently, and stakeholder needs are addressed proactively. This approach helps in building trust, minimizing conflicts, and facilitating smoother project execution. Now, along with the above challenges and the remedies, let me share a couple of effective strategies that can be pivotal to your project success in the existing landscape of construction management. Adopting a comprehensive project management framework like the PMBOK guidelines from the Project Management Institute is fundamental in navigating the complexities of construction projects. This framework provides a structured approach to project management covering areas such as integration, scope, schedule, cost, quality, resource, communication, risk, procurement, and stakeholder management. By aligning project processes with these guidelines, construction managers can ensure a consistent, high quality approach to project execution, enhancing the likelihood of meeting project objectives. The integration of technology in project management processes through tools such as project management software, BIM, and mobile applications can significantly boost project efficiency. These technologies facilitate improved communication, better scheduling, and more accurate documentation, enabling project teams to track progress in real time, share information seamlessly, and make data-driven decisions. The use of such tools help in minimizing errors, reducing paperwork, and ensuring that all team members are on the same page. The construction project life cycle encompasses a series of phases that are crucial for the successful completion of a project. Understanding these phases, along with the challenges and strategies for effective project management, is essential for project managers in the construction industry. Now, by employing rigorous planning, effective communication, and robust risk and quality management strategies, construction projects can achieve their objectives, delivering successful outcomes for all stakeholders involved.